Good morning, everyone. Thank you, Kushi. So, dear Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. So it's my pleasure to address this esteemed gathering of C-level executive, directors, and technology company leaders at the 28th edition of the Digital Transformation Summit in Dubai. This forum is of great significance considering today's digital technology and the digital economy govern the way we work, conduct business, perform international trade, and engage with the world as communities and nations in the 21st century. If we all remember, 4 years ago, the pandemic showed us that digitization is the only way for us to achieve greater international cooperation needed to facilitate the seamless cross-border movement of goods and services, narrow the digital divide, and level the playing field for micro, small, and medium enterprises. Today, the UAE transitioned to a new economic model based on knowledge and innovation. We have placed significant emphasis on developing our digital infrastructure and ensuring that the country leads globally in the digital economy front as well. Moreover, our effort in embracing the new economic sector are adding significant value to the UAE's position as a technology and innovation hub in the region. The UAE digital economy is currently worth nearly $38 billion today, and we are striving to double its contribution to the national GDP from the current 9.7% to nearly 20% by 2031, in line with the UAE digital economy strategy. So, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to elaborate on how the UAE is building a solid legislative infrastructure and regulatory framework needed to achieve this goal. When it comes to institution, the UAE has established numerous institutions responsible for overseeing technological adoption and advancement in the country. Examples are the AI, Digital Economy and Remote Work Application Office, the Higher Committee for Government Digital Transformation, the 4IR Center, the MBZU AI Metaverse Center, TEDRA Virtual Academy, UAE Cybersecurity Council, and so on. If we go and look at it from the talent perspective, the UAE National Strategy for Talent Attraction and Retention seeks to attract and retain talents in the country's strategic sector and create a conducive environment to position the countries among the best in the global talent competitiveness indicator. The modernization of residency rules and reduction of restriction facing labor mobility now makes it easy to attract, retain highly skilled talent. Tailored initiatives such as the Next Gen FDI initiative that aims to attract 300 digitally enabled companies to the UAE, and the Future 100 initiative supporting companies that are shaping country's future economy, all contributing to attracting talent in the technology space. Apart from that, the National Program for Coder, in collaboration with Google, Microsoft, Amazon, Cisco, IBM, HPE, LinkedIn, NVIDIA, and Facebook, to train and attract 100,000 coders to establish 1,000 digital company within 5 years and increase the investment in startup from 1.5 billion to 4 billion is another notable initiative. Ladies and gentlemen, with regard to the legislative and regulatory environment, our country recently witnessed the largest set of legislative changes in its history. Most notably, it includes the launch of the new digital law, Federal Decree number 14 of 2023, covering all existing aspects of digital payments and transactions, while the previous law only covered e-commerce. The new law is much broader and provides more protection to consumers in the UAE. In addition, the UAE is a pioneer in the region in terms of this readiness for the arrival of tokenization, which ranges from its digital financial infrastructure to strategy and regulations, setting self-regulatory principles to ensure safety and digital security within emerging space such as Metaverse, and IP rights protection is also a priority in our digital economy agenda. Moreover, a Metaverse committee was established to effectively coordinate various issues related to the adoption of the Metaverse. The strategy that has been adopted to support the development of the Metaverse in the country has 3 pillars: innovation, research, science, and technology; knowledge-based, highly productive and competitive economy; and public and private sector form partnership. So, ladies and gentlemen, keeping pace with the UAE government efforts to envision and shape the digital future, the level of adoption of technology solution has significantly increased in the recent past. The adoption of the use of digital signature increased by 216% in 2023. Blockchain was adopted as well by 9 banks, 6 exchange houses, and 3 insurance companies in the country. Additionally, the adoption rate of the 6th version of the Internet Protocol reached 50.7% in January 2024. And the level of mobile network coverage continued to reach 100% coverage. The UAE ranked first in the Middle East in internet exchange traffic and the first globally in 5th generation network speed in 2023. So, ladies and gentlemen, simultaneously we are assisting the private sector, including family business, and expanding into new economic sectors, enabling them to gain competitive advantages and thrive in the digital era. To summarize, the UAE has been harnessing digital transformation to enhance government services, foster economic growth, and drive innovation, thus positioning itself as a global leader in this space. That's not all. We remain committed to sharing our experience in this regard with our global partners to fully harness digital transformation in collectively advancing sustainable development of the global economy. And thank you.